welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday.
Hey!
You know the drill.
That means I'm here.
Either Martin's here or I'm there at their place. So anyway, we're about to eat lunch and we tried this new hummus place for the first time. It's called
Hummus Express. Napaka-basic, no?
Hummus Express.
There was this one guy in Discord that posted a Middle Eastern menu. First thing that I saw there is hummus. So let's have hummus today.
So we got two things. This is rapid roast. I think it has onions and peppers, and then this is the classic one. Hummus is basically just chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and then olive oil, garlic, and then some people put tahini and paprika.
Wow!
It's yummy. And then you eat it with pita.
Alam mo naman paano gumawa. Gumawa ka na.
Wala akong ingredients.
Okay. So this, we're gonna eat Middle Eastern hummus. And we're gonna give it a try because I'm so craving for this.
It also comes with pita bread because you will dip it. So let's open it. This is the rapid roast. Oh! So it's hummus and then it has peppers and onions. Parang mas gusto ko to. Just the classic one. Just hummus with some paprika.
Kasi si Den, hindi siya kumakain ng may green bell pepper.
Yeah, not a fan.
Tsaka raw onions. And yung...
So why did we order this?
Di ba you wanted that? Di ba parang you just want to give that a try?
Yeah. But I won't eat it though. I won't eat that. Just so the
classic,
flavor.
So classic
just
is
for
always
flavor.
right.
Yeah, I'll go for the classic one. By the way, we are eating in the bedroom kasi ang init and nandito yung aircon. So that's the reason why we're here. Kasi may aircon dito. FYI kasi you might be like, bakit sila kumakain sa kwarto? Like, di ba dapat sa dining? Siyempre, may nangingialam na poodle. Bawal ka, Tyler. Tyler, you can't eat that, baby.
He just wants to how it's done. He wants to see. And then, eat it. You wanna try?
Maybe pita? So gentle. Short clips or full clips that It's good. Very garlicky, very creamy, and smooth. And ang lakas ng flavor nung paprika. How do you like it?
Super duper like it.
Wait, I wanna try the one with the pepper. Maharap siya!
Yeah, it's really good.
I like the one with the green peppers and onion. Hindi ko lang kakainin yung vegetable mismo. But I really like the flavor. It's more flavorful. Yummy. Guys, I'm falling in love with this. It's really good! Sabi nga ni Martin, it's like eating pizza. Martin comes bearing gifts. Gifts.
And we have...
Ta-da! Fang! Boom! The purpose of every Saturday is just to order cold drink.
Order kami ng hummus, diba? So, and then at one point, nung parating na yung hummus namin, siguro about mga 5 minutes parating na siya. And then it was like, hindi ka nag-order ng drinks, no? It's like, no, I didn't. And it's just like, sanay kasi ako sa pag Saturdays may drinks. Masyado akong focus sa hummus mo. I was like, we can order drinks. No problem. I was like, I mean, sige. Yeah, so that's why we have Lyka. And I asked her, what you want. So she's like, she's into the fruit teas right now.
Because it's so hot, so I want something refreshing.
Yeah. And we kind of like check on
11
other places, but Fang, siguro I would like to thank my brother Adi,
Hi Adi, who watches our vlogs.
Yes.
Shout out.
Kasi parang at one time he asked me, parang you want, sabi niya sa akin like Fang. I was like Fang. I was like, Fang. Fang. And then he showed me the menu. I was like, Fang. And like, yun lang yung sasabi namin the whole time to each other. Fang. And that's how we understood
It sounds
each
like
other.
yung mga comedy na, Asian movie. Ganun.
That is so racist. When I saw one of the signature drinks of Fang, I want to give it a try. And I loved it. I super duper loved it. I mean, the cost, it's not so expensive. Just about right price, but man, it's so surprising. This is my order first.
No, that's it.
No.
Fail.
So this is it. Fang signature drink.
Yeah, signature fruity, and I can tell there's oranges. There's definitely passion fruit in there because of the seeds.
And there are apples.
And apples. Oh my gosh.
And the real thing.
Yeah, I can see the yung parang real fruits talaga siya. It's not just syrup or concentrate.
And this one.
Peach fruity.
Peach
Oh
fruity.
my God. Tinanong kasi ako ni Martin, anong gusto kong isa pa. So, kung ano yung gusto ko, yun daw orderin niya. So, yan. I want peach.
Yeah. And check this out. We have a BOGO. Buy one, take one.
Yeah. So, I got some also for Daryl and my dad. Kasi, mas gusto nila yung mga milk tea. So, yan. I got them. Pudding tea latte. Ako pala, I first heard about Fang from Chris Uy and Slater Young. Kasi they franchised Fang for Cebu. Yeah. So, parang Fang Cebu is theirs. I don't know if all. Pero I know they have a Fang store.
So, we're gonna drink first. So, Slater's guy.
Ang kulit! Okay. Oh my God. It's my first time to try this. I like it. It's so refreshing. Parang, there's so many fruits in here. Yung unang sip ko, it tasted like apples. And then my second sip, it tasted like oranges. Parang, depende kung nasang part ka nung drink. And then yung baba niya, lasang passion fruit na. Love it. Let's try the peach one. Same. So good. Lasa talaga siyang peach. Hindi ako maka-decide. Baka arborin ko both. Or half-half kami ni Martin. Like, sip on both, I'll sip both drinks.
Ako, I'll drink whatever's left. Kung iinumin niya na lahat eh.
Ang sarap! Try it, guys. If you haven't tried Fang, signature fruity and peach fruity. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. We're watching a movie. It's called The Next 3 Days. It's Russell Crowe kasi it's trending on Netflix. And we're gonna eat this. Tyler. Excuse me, I'm talking here. Tyler. Pag ganyan, something's itchy. Anyway, I got this from Landers too. We're gonna try it. It's Sriracha Ranch and it's the first time I'm gonna try it. How is it? Tastes more like ranch. Ayun na, may konting sriracha na.
Parang it takes a while to build up, no? Yung flavor.
It's like, unang kagat ranch. And then, mararamdaman mo yung spiciness of the sriracha. Do you like it?
Parang siyang ketchup eh. Yung ketchup shoestring potatoes.
Kasi nga, it's picnic. Yeah. So, ganun. Yung chips, lasa siya nung picnic na shoestring na may lasang ranch na maanghang. That's it. That's how this tastes like. Okay. We're gonna watch this movie now. Hopefully, it gets better kasi sobrang haba na ng intro. Wala pang nangyayari.
Bagal ng build-up, sobra.
It's a 2-hour movie. Gano'ng katagal na tayo? An hour?
An hour almost.
Wala pa nangyayari, guys.
Nothing like, yung climactic or something. After 1 hour.
Yeah! It's a rainy Sunday. So Tyler and I are just cozying up here. Ah! Oh my god, static. Sorry. And I'm watching Netflix Becoming. It's the Michelle Obama documentary. Gusto ko yung mga docu na ganito. Parang one day, I want to have a life na it's so inspiring na may gagawa ng documentary ko na ganito. Like, they'll just follow me around and interview me. Aww. Really my kind of weekends. Yung wala masyadong ginagawa. Just being potatoes in bed. I just wanna be a potato. Parang imbis na couch potato, bed potato. Watching movies. Yeah, this is me. This is me as a person.